small. Why? It's better than nothing. I should remove this one. Imagine it headed. I didn't hear the big ground since. Guys, I want to go to the farm and harvest 3 leaf yam. So join me. Yeah, 3 leaf yam. Yeah, I almost forgot the leaf yam. So I'm going back to the farm. We are going back to the farm. Yeah. We are going to guide the whole village. We are looking for trailer. Please, if you see any trailer or any long vehicle that we can use and pack things in this village. This is my grandpa's house, so I must pack things. Let me go and harvest my 3 leaf yam. Anem, we call it anem. Anem means sweetness. So guys, this is the place I will harvest it. Tongue top. But then you are okay. Okay. Another one is here. Show me. I didn't hear the big ground since. So guys, this is the 3 leaf yam, okay? We are packing a whole lot of loads.
Please, if you see trailer, call the trailer for us.